Only teddy bears can win.
In this week's episode, we're heading to Loco Bear, one of Dubai's coolest bowling alleys, to play one of the oldest sports in the world.
We will learn all about the exciting sport of bowling, from rolling the ball and knocking down pins to discovering how the sport works.
It's going to be me versus Lucas. Let's see who's better at bowling.
And we will even get to try their famous chocolate-coated strawberries.
Hello guys, welcome to Loco Beer. So for now, what we're going to do now, guess what we're going to do? Bowling! Anyone wants to know how to do the bowling? Okay, everyone, let's go!
Let the games begin. Oliver and Lucas.
A strike is when you get all the pins knocked down in one bowl. And a spare is where you have two goes and you get all the pins knocked down on your second go. Lucas thinks he can beat me. Little does he know I'm a pro bowler.
Gonna beat me because I'm gonna use my super move.
Ready? Wait. Oh. Ooh, that's actually good. Go, Lucas, go.
Oh!
Ready? Let's see how much pins you got. You only got one
99.
go. What's this? Yellow with a yellow clown. Oh! Oh!
One more pin!
Oh! Oh wait! Hit the yellow!
Oh, this is your fault. Please don't be beating me.
I'm beating you.
With the same amount of points. The goal of bowling is to knock down as many pins as you can. There are 10 pins standing at the end of the lane, and you roll the ball to try and knock them all down. At the end of the game, the person who knocks down the most pins gets the highest score and wins. It might look easy, but it can actually be pretty tricky. That's what makes it so much fun. It's a sport where you're always trying to get better and beat your best score.
I'm gonna get a strike in a bear costume. Oh, ready?
Mom! Only teddy bears can win. Oliver and I are so frustrated because we can't tell who's going to win.
No way, I lost. I had 3 pins and I lost.
1 minute I'm in the lead and the next he is ahead. It's so close and every roll of the ball could change the game.
Watch the pros.
You're never gonna beat me.
Oh, no, I beat you.
1.
700 times 5 is 300.
3,500. You ready? I'm gonna score now. I'm gonna beat you, Oliver.
I'm winning.
No, you're not. Watch this. Nah.
Oliver won again.
Nah.
Don't slam it on the ground.
Because you gotta hit yellow.
Oh.
Yeah.
You're so bad, Lucas. What's
I know
this?
it's my go.
What's this? Ooh, that's actually good. That's very good. I'm winning with 3,500 points. Lucas with 3,300 points. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh! I got one more pin. If only I hit it.
And the winner is...
And the winner is... Drum roll!
And the winner is... And the winner is...
Oliver!
Game over.
I won, I beat Lucas, and he's so bad at bowling, and I beat him.
Lucas is having a hard time accepting that he didn't win. So now he's trying to convince me that he can beat me in a dance-off. He says if he can't win at bowling, he'll definitely win on the dance floor.
It looks like I'm the winner, but I can't get enough of bowling, so I'm gonna do another game. Now, we're gonna make the most delicious chocolate strawberries. Just like that.
Strawberries. Open Yum yum. Ooh. Let's get a fork.
Get a strawberry on top. Yummy. And we get a spoon.
Now let's eat our delicious strawberries we made.
This is my favorite part about coming here.
Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our next exciting adventure.